To truly understand someone's language skills, you need to hear them speak. Speaking tests reveal how well candidates organize thoughts, use accurate language, and respond on the spot. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of creating a structured and secure speaking test using TestInvite. Start by creating a new test. Go to the Tests module and click the plus New Test button. Enter your test name. Add a description if needed. Next, add at least one section. To add more sections to your test, click the plus icon on the right. You can also add additional sections later in the test editor. Once you've entered the required fields, click Save. This will create the test structure and allow you to begin adding content. After saving, you'll be directed to the test editor. The first pages will be automatically added to your test. To change the page name, click the pencil icon next to the page title. To further build and structure your test, click Add Section to include more sections. Click Add Page under a section to add more pages. Once your test structure is ready, click the plus Add Question button on the right, then click Create a Question to add a new one. After that, select Audio Recording as the question type. Enter your question prompt in the text field. You can enrich your questions with text formatting, images, audio, video, file attachments, lists, and headings. For example, if you want to create an interview-style question, you can insert an audio recording as a prompt. Or you can design a picture-based question by adding images to the question prompt. You can also set a recording time limit and control how many times a candidate can retry. Under the Limitations section, choose the Recording Time option, click Active, and enter the desired duration. If disabled, the recording will have no time limit. To change the allowed number of recording attempts, choose the User Retry option, click Active, and enter the desired number of retries. If disabled, the recording will have no entry limit. You can use the Preview section to simulate the candidate experience with question. In the Evaluation section, you can choose how each question will be assessed. In the Rubric Editor, you can define a rubric type, criteria, and weights. The total score is calculated based on selected categories and assigned weights. You can also manually evaluate the questions. If you're not the one evaluating the responses, you can add a note for the evaluator. Once you are done creating the question, click Save. After creating your questions, you can set a time limit for the entire test, as well as individual time limits for specific sections and pages. To set a time limit for the entire test, click the gear icon to open Test Settings. Then go to the Features tab and adjust the time limit option at the bottom, and click Save. To set a time limit at the section or page level, click on the section or page name on the left. Then adjust the time limit setting on the right, and click Save. Once you are done with your entire test, go to the Tasks module and click the plus New Task button. Continue with the Real Usage option. Select one of the candidate type options to move forward. Fill in the task title and select a folder and use Case to continue. After that, click Next and click the plus Test button above to add your test. Select the test from your library to add it to the task. Select the advanced security options you'd like to enable for this test. Choose one of the webcam recording types. Choose one of the screen recording types and enable the lockdown browser if needed. After configuring the settings, click Add and click Save to create your task. Now you've created your test, and you are ready to deliver it to participants.